Mm.
And I'm not going to eat double than what I'm not going to counter that.
Do you think people need to think more about that, about bioavailability when it comes to protein consumption? Because you can hit your 250.
Yeah.
If it was all through egg whites, it's 125.
Yeah, right. So, but usually with the proteins, like my rule is the proteins that I would really count towards my number of like, this is the ones I want to get in the day, is kind of like what I call direct animal proteins, like a dairy, maybe not a cheese because, they're filtering things out, but like any kind of milk or yogurt or cottage cheese, that's in there. That's solid. That's, every amino acid necessary, whatever. Or like any meats or eggs, like that's pretty much what counts.